May we now request Principal Ma'am and Srimati Shanta Shaha Ma'am, Headmistress, to come up on stage to encourage and appreciate the outstanding work put in by the Scholar Badge awardees of classes 2 to 4. Scholar Badge for class 2 onwards is being awarded to students who have secured a minimum of 90% in aggregate, a minimum of 85% in each subject. They should have a minimum of 80% attendance and should not have been absent for any school assessment. The students must also have exemplary behavior. We would like to let you know once again that from the academic session 2013-14 onwards, special Scholar Badge assemblies are being organized in school on Saturdays as mentioned in the school almanac. The same will be done this year too. Parents will be invited to partake in the celebrations. The awardees are now being requested to come on stage in groups as a special felicitation. We have 20 Scholar Badge awardees coming up on stage. Parents, need we remind you to keep applauding today. The little ones have worked very hard. We have Arnav Mandal, Arnesh Pal, Deshant Basu, Anjishnu De, Nakshatra Dasgupta, Sarika Mishra, Rajdeep Mazumdar, Shagnik Nag, Doipayan Montro, Ridisha Chakravarti, Sunrit Parya, Rupsha Ghosh. We also have Suniksha Samay, Anupam Mahapatra, Ayushi Mukherjee, Nihal Jaiswal, Avikshit Mandal Maiti, Achal Agarwal, Arnesh Chakravarti, Ayush Biswas. May we have a photograph with Principal Ma'am and Shanta Shaha Ma'am. Thank you, students. We now have 28 students, Scholar Badge awardees of class 3. A round of applause, parents and guests. We have Ajit Sihi, Shopnunil Roy, Shagorika Sinha, Roshan Tripathi, Shorjo Marik, Ritika Nair, Utsav Mukherjee, Srishti Malik, Orithro Chatterjee, Archishman Das, Rajnandini Sen, Anvesh Chatterjee, Shomudip Manna, Asmita Chaudhary, Shreyoshi Guho, Anubhav Banerjee, Mohammad Ashir Iqbal, Soham Das, Gargi Jana, Anvaya Basu Roy Chaudhary, Anveshan Abhijit Pandit, Soham Nag, Mohammad Aman Khan, Sneha Bose, Soham Das, Trisha Chatterjee, Oishani Sengupta, Suhani Bhalotia. Thank you, children. Please step off the stage. We now have students of class 4, 20 Scholar Badge awardees. A round of applause for them, parents. From class 4 we have Shagnik Mukherjee, Shomil Jana, Ayushman Sarkar, Srijan Banerjee, Sanchit Lodha, Ahir Sarkar, Aaron Singh, Ayush Konar, Ohana Bar, Adrija Mukhopadhyay, Arin Sengupta, Devanjana Datta, Shreyan Datta Roy, Soham Das, Orithro Banerjee, Aryadipto Dev, Abhishek Kumar Das, Agnish Pramanik, Anubha Gupta and Shivangi Mukherjee. Thank you, children. Please step off the stage. Thank you, Shanta ma'am. May we now request the coordinator for middle school, Surita Chakravarti ma'am, to come up on stage and encourage and appreciate the Scholar Badge awardees of classes 5, 6 and 7. Class 5, please step on the stage. We have 27 students, Scholar Badge awardees from class 5. A resounding applause for their parents. Avipshit Datta, Vibhor Agarwal, Shruti Sen, Maharjit Adhikari, Mayuri Ghosh Dastitar, Shagnik Ghosh, Angana Bhoval, Urmi Chakravarti, Debanjan Datta, Vinit De, Devarati Mukherjee, Nandini Saha, Sharanya Sen Gupta. We also have Aryan Vatsal, Abhinav, Kunjal Grover, Pritish Srivastav, Olivia Das, Nandini Thirani, Prakhar Agarwal, Saket Rathore, Debanshi Roy, Rai Sarkar, Datri Ganguly, Garima Goel, Rupsha Sinha, and Sohan Chaudhary. Thank you, students. Please step off the stage.
That's Kunal Gupta from class 5. Moving on to class 6 Scholar Badge awardees. We have 37 students who have bagged the Scholar Badge in class 6. Yes, that's a huge number, and the applause from the audience can also be Fardeen H. Bora, Soumya Banerjee, Chaitanya Jain, Shinjit Ghosh, Avigyan Khatua, Devanjana Sengupta, Garima Surana, Shivangi Jokania, Srishti Chobe, Megha Abidin, Jishnu Chatterjee, Chilik Bose, Mohammad Farhan Aslam, Suparni Moitro, Devjit Sinha Roy, Aritro Ghosh, Sharanya Sahu, Manjari Agarwal, Priyadarshini Roy, Sudipan Sinha, Shutito Ghosh, Shreyoshi Guha Roy, Arnold Pal, Pratyanik Sau, Shambhavi Dhor, Shivan Shivastav, Spriha Mondol, Devarpita De, Nandini Mukherjee, Khushi Killa, Ambar Nayak, Kaushiki Bhattacharya, Stuti Bagchi, Tanish Mishra, and Shivangi Parekh. Thank you, children. Please step off the stage. Class 7 Scholar Badge awardees are now coming up on stage. We have 25 students from class 7. Class 6, just Aryaman Banerjee, Ayushi Shaha, Shayok Chatterjee, Soham Gupta, Gaurav Agarwal, Ritam Sharkar, Rituchita Roy, Shamyata Das, Shripar Nopal, Srijan Shashwat, Rahul Roy, Srishti Ray, Swapnil Das, Adil Akhtar, Rashtree Shur, Somrupa Banerjee, Shushanata Das, Ananya Mayuri Sinha, Shabon Sinha, Sanithya Mondol, Shaumya Asawa, Ridhiman Bhattacharya, and Shruti Devnath. Thank you, children. Thank you, Surita ma'am. We now request the Senior School Coordinator, Mrs. Reena Moitro, to join Principal ma'am on stage. Class 8 Scholar Badge awardees are now moving in. There are 46 students who have bagged the Scholar Badge in Class 8 this year. Class 8. Faster. They've not come. We have Anshul Prasad, Ayush Raj, Ishika Chakraborty, Sritama Mitra, Torsha Fine, Rini Basu, Gaurav Jha, Devaditya Pal, Ishika Sangai, Arin Khatua, Pratyush Sinha, Prerna Mukherjee, Rivu Das Gupta, Shagnik Das Gupta, Srishti Singh, Rimon Rakshit, Shruti Banerjee, Aditya Das Sharma, Elena Das, Shreyan Ghosh, Tisya Bagchi, Upasana Basu Malik, Ankita Bera, Arjun Chaudhary, Lipika Gupta, Aditya Kumar, Atrik Ray, Monalisa Ghosh, Ujjaini Nandi, Raj Pevav, Sanmit Mondol, Shaptoshi Bhattacharya, Anisha Das, Aryaman Modi, Disha De, Rishiraj Malik, Sanjeevni Gogoi, Shraman Pal, Shreyan Ghosh, Swagata Das, and Snehin Sen. Thank you, children. Just take some quick steps, make 2 lines. Class 9 Scholar Badge awardees are now coming up on stage. First we have Devorshi Ghosh. As you can see, he is already a Blue Blazer awardee and is receiving the Scholar Badge for the 7th consecutive year. He has also qualified the second level of Inter-DPS Science and Maths Talent Examination with an All India rank of 8 and the first level with an All India rank of 3. A huge effort by this student. Next we have Digvijay Roy Warrior. He too is a Blue Blazer recipient, and this year this is the 7th Scholar Badge in a row. He has qualified the second level of Inter-DPS Science and Maths Talent Examination with an All India rank of 55 and the first level with All India rank of 46. Another round of applause. Next we have Sachi Agarwal, another Blue Blazer awardee. She too is getting the Scholar Badge for the 7th consecutive year. The other students are Sahasra Datta, Shubhashish Das, Rohan Chakraborty, Purboday Datta, Avirup Majumdar, Harsh Banthia and Kunal Datta. Thank you, children. Thank you, Reena ma'am. May we now call Shri Shomudip Moitro, Headmaster, to come up on stage to join Principal ma'am. We will start with the Class 11 Scholar Badge awardees. It's a commendable achievement on the part of Class 11 students to consistently secure 90% and above in all subjects throughout the year. These students have left no stone unturned to achieve their target. We have Ronak Das, who has just taken his award, Shayantan Dev, and Akanksha Roy. Next we have the Consistent Effort Awards.